Hello BeeBusinessBee fans and welcome to another BeeBusinessBee vlog, where in today's topic I'm going to start looking at something which has been asked quite a few times about, something called percentage change. And how do you calculate it and how may you use it in an exam style question? Well, what I thought I'd do is let's first look at that answer to the question, how do you calculate it? So if you come over here with me to my trusty board, you'll see here that I've got on there a formula written there saying percentage change is change divided by original times 100. That's how we calculate percentage change. Dead simple. So we look at percentage change being a formula change divided by original times 100. So let's have a look at a question and how it might apply when it comes to your exam style situation that you've got. So in this question here, you can see Bee's made £3 million profit in 2017. However, this increased to £5 million profit in 2018. Comment on the financial position of Bee. So you've got some numbers there. You've been told that in 2017 it was 3 million, and you've been told in 2018 it's now 5 million. So if you go back over to our formula over here, what is the change? Well, the change is 2 million. 5 take away 3, 2 million. What is the original figure? Well, the original figure was 3 million. So we know that it's 2 over 3. And I've done that over here. So I've managed to work that out for you already. 2 over 3. Look, I've done a bit in brackets for you first. 2 over 3 there. Times it by 100 because it's a percentage change. There we go. You can see the 100 there. Gives us 67%. And that would be a percentage change. So when you come back to the question over here and it says comment on the financial position of B, what I'd be hoping you'd be able to do for me at this point now is you'd be able to use that calculation in your answer. So the way you get good marks in an exam is showing some application. And the best way to show application is do the formula, use that 67% in your answer. That says to the examiner straight away, I've done some calculations, I know what I'm doing, and I'm going to use that figure. And ironically, that figure isn't that bad. Actually, 67% over a year is a pretty good figure if you think about it logically. And that is how you use percentage change to help you in your exam style questions and how you get more marks in an exam. Hopefully that answers the question I've been asked a few times when it comes to percentage change. I'm hoping you're liking the new style BeeBusinessBee vlogs, especially considering that I've now gone widescreen and I'm using a gimbal as well, which I'm still learning, as you probably noticed. So it's not as smooth as it could be. However, all feedback is always welcome. And remember, until next time, you keep buzzing.